Hello, this is the CSL Mi322, the most affordable Android phone brought to you by CSL. And what we are going to do now is to do the unboxing and also do a quick view of the phone itself. Now, before we get to the unboxing part, let's take a look at the box, and also not to forget about take a look at the specifications of the CSL Mi322. So it comes in black and white color, so you have two choices whether you want it to be black or white. And the point of this phone is it is a dual SIM phone and also supports Wi-Fi connectivity. Now, as for the network, it doesn't support 3G, but the fastest data network you can get is the edge connectivity. But nevertheless, you still have the Wi-Fi connectivity for fast internet browsing. Next is you have the 2 megapixels camera, 3.2-inch WQVGA screen, sporting a 240x400 pixels of resolution. And since this is an Android phone, it's running on Android 2.2 FROYO, so you can move your apps into your SD card. I think that's it. Now let's get to the unboxing part. Open it up. CSL warranty card, the CSL Mi322. Now this is the black unit. As you can see, 2 megapixels camera at the back, USB port and hands-free jack at the left side of the phone. At the top you have the power and also the volume rocker. Up front you have the screen, and also the shortcuts button are physical button, and it feels nice to touch. Home menu, back, search, home. Let's take a look inside. The in-car charger, two USB cables for charging and also data sync, a charger, a hands-free kit, screen protector, a user manual. The menu you have Chinese, English only. And last but not least, a pouch for the phone. Now let me show you what we have inside of the CSL Mi322. So this is the lock screen. To unlock, just simply drag the lock like that. Now this is the home screen of it. So you can see there is the live wallpaper running around at the back, and also respond to the touch of So up front, as a typical Android phone, of course you have the Google search bar, and the CSL Mi322 also have FM radio. and that's it. And there's a point to remember that this is a very cheap Android phone, so it doesn't have 3G connectivity, but it still have edge connectivity for mobile connectivity, or if you want faster connection you can also have the Wi-Fi connection. Now what I'm going to show you is briefly all the pre-installed apps that comes with the Mi322 when you purchase it. So of course you have the Blueberry Messenger and Blueberry Store, the CSL Fan Club, you also have the Facebook, MySpace and Twitter comes pre-installed, also YouTube. And these are the apps that comes with it, and you can get a lot more of apps through the Android market. Now the CSL Mi322 supports dual SIM. So what I'm going to show you is the dual SIM settings. So you can basically choose whether you want to be SIM 1 or SIM 2. Default SIM card option. And this is where you change your dual SIM settings. And also this is the Mi322 running on Android 2.2.1. So the wireless, you can connect to Wi-Fi, or you can change over here your GPRS transfer preference, prefer to call or prefer to data. And there is another good thing about this phone is what I'm going to show you is the RAM that you can, the available RAM of this phone is, there's a lot more than other conventional 256 megabyte of RAM. So change to another launcher, the Go launcher. You can download it from the Android market, it's free. Now see, the total memory that you can have is 191 megabytes compared to normal 256 megabytes RAM. You normally has around 170, 180. This comes with 191 megabytes, and currently the free memory is 92 megabytes, so everything goes pretty smooth, and I can barely feel any lags for now. And that's it for what we have inside the Mi322. Thanks for watching.